Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another cleaning motivation, and I have friends coming over. I don't really need to clean a lot, but I do need to tidy up a little bit, do the dishes and clean the floors, maybe dust a little bit. So that's gonna be it. And I also want to do a little meal prep before they come, so I wanted to bring you along. I am ready. I have my mom crown, what Brianna K would say, and I am ready to go. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So let's get started with cleaning. Over here I am making ground turkey burgers, and the way I make it is just by adding some seasonings. I usually add black pepper, salt, some seasoned salt. I add 1 egg, then I add parsley and some garlic salt or fresh garlic, it all depends. Then some dry cheese. This time I had Parmesan cheese, and I mix all that. You can use any kind of seasoning you'd like. After that, I form patties. I put them on a parchment paper so they don't stick to each other, and since I will have more layers, I put parchment paper in between each layers. And after I'm done, I put that in a freezer before grilling. You can also do this for a meal prep. Prepare them ahead of time, put them in a freezer, and you can just take them out, and even frozen they can go on a grill or a griddle, or you can just stick them in an oven. our friends are almost here, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! Say bye-bye! Hey guys, so it is the day after, it is Sunday, and I just wanted to update you on a few things. We actually had so much fun last night with our neighbors. This is the first time we actually had a chance to have neighbors over since we moved in, because the weather is nicer and now we go out more often, and I'm so glad we got to know them a little bit better, and kids played and had so much fun. My husband made a lot of food. He grilled a lot of different kind of food, and a lot of meat we have left over, and none of them didn't want to take any home because they all had plans for today. So I hate wasting food. So what I'm going to do, and I wanted to show you how to do it in case you are sometimes in a situation like this, I'm going to show you how you can freeze. For example, I have leftover chicken breast, grilled chicken breast, and I'm going to show you how to freeze that and have for some time when you will need it and be in a hurry and not be able to make the food that day. So let's get over to the kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to freeze it. So what you want to do with grilled chicken breast, you want to let them cool, or you can leave them in a refrigerator overnight like I did, and then cut them up the way you want to use them in the future. For example, I'm cutting over here in little squares, and I'm going to use them as a topping on my salads and my husband's salads. And the other ones I'm going to cut in strips, and those are going to be used as a main meal with some kind of side dish. And also very important is to pack them in freezer bags or a container or whatever you want, but in the portions that you're going to use. So don't pack all of that together, because you want to thaw them, and once you thaw them, that's it. You cannot refreeze them again. If you make bigger batches, you can label your bags or your containers so you know the date you make them. I don't have that much over here, and I'm pretty sure we're going to use them in next week or so. The most important thing is actually to take them out of the freezer one day before you mean to use them, and let them thaw in a refrigerator, and when it's time to use them, you can either warm them up in an oven or in a microwave. And that's it. So simple and easy. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy your day. Bye guys.